Welcome to the video tutorial series on Send to Amazon, a streamlined workflow that simplifies FBA shipment creation. In this video, we'll cover the steps to add SKUs in bulk to the shipment creation workflow using an Excel spreadsheet. In Step 1, choose Inventory to Send. This feature simplifies the process and saves you time for medium to large shipments. On the Send to Amazon page, choose File Upload as the SKU selection method. First, generate your template using the Template Generator tool. Start by selecting the optional columns that you need for your template. If one or more of your SKUs will be packed in single SKU boxes or shipping boxes that contain multiple units of the same SKU, select Include Extra Columns for Case Pack Information. This enables you to enter box contents, weights, and dimensions in the Excel file, so you won't be prompted to re-enter this information in Seller Central, a great time saver. In this tutorial, we will only select Include Extra Columns for Case Pack Information, since we are not sure which of the products will require an expiration date. Click Generate and Download File. Open the downloaded Excel sheet and select the Create Workflow Template tab to enter the SKUs that you want to add to the Send to Amazon workflow. To ensure that your products reach the buyer in perfect condition, they must be prepared and labelled properly. You can do the prep and labelling yourself, or you can have Amazon do it for a per unit fee. In the template sheet, enter the default prep owner and default labelling owner as seller or Amazon, depending on whom you choose to perform these tasks. These defaults will be applied to all SKUs that you add to the file, unless otherwise specified in the table below. We'll show you how to override default settings later in the video. In this example, because you or your supplier do most of the required prep and labelling, you select Seller for both fields. Next, enter the Merchant SKU. That is the unique identifier for the product and the quantity of sellable units of the product that you want to ship to Amazon. If the prep or labelling owner for the SKU is different from the default prep and labelling owner that you previously provided, you can override the default owner by filling in the optional prep owner and labelling owner columns. In our example, since our supplier has already done all the prep and labelling and the default owner is seller, we'll leave this column empty. Let's see how the SKU is packed. Let's suppose that your supplier packs this SKU in shipping boxes that contain one or more units of that SKU, also known as case packs. In the Excel file, you'll enter the number of units of the SKU in each shipping box, the quantity of boxes that you'll be shipping to Amazon, and the box weights and dimensions. If you normally sell fast-selling products on FBA and want to test customer interest with a few new products, you can upload an Excel file with case pack information for your fast-selling products and add your new products as individual units. You can then pack your individual units in shipping boxes with more than one unique SKU and provide box content information for these units in Step 1B, Pack Individual Units. Let's see how to add individual units to your template file. Enter the unique product identifier or merchant SKU and the quantity of units that you want to ship to Amazon. Since your supplier hasn't prepped and labelled these products, let's suppose that you want Amazon to do this for a per unit fee. To override the default settings, you enter the prep and labelling owners for this SKU as Amazon. After you've added all your SKUs and quantities, save the spreadsheet. Next, on the Send to Amazon page, you'll set the address that you want to ship from and the marketplace destination. These details determine which fulfillment centres you'll send your inventory to. Be aware that they can't be changed after you confirm your shipment destinations in Step 2, Confirm Shipping. Next, click Upload Completed File. Select the file that you want to upload and click Open. If there are any errors in the Excel file, an error message will appear. You can download a detailed report to view the errors. After you correct the errors, re-upload the file. If there are no errors in the Excel file, you'll see a message that the file has been processed successfully. Go to the SKUs Requiring Attention tab to provide additional details as required. In this example, the first product requires an expiration date. Once you add the expiration date, the SKU will change to Ready to Send. The prep category for the second SKU is unavailable. Enter the prep requirements and click Confirm. Once we've provided the necessary information for all the SKUs requiring attention, we're automatically redirected to the SKU's Ready to Send tab to review the list of SKUs that you're sending to Amazon and how they are packed, prepped and labelled. For SKUs that you or your supplier will be labelling, you can click Print SKU Labels to print and apply labels. When you're done, continue to the next step. This concludes the instructional video for Step 1. Choose inventory to send using File Upload. If you're shipping individual units, look for the video Step 1B, Pack Individual Units in Seller University. If you have already provided packing details for your single SKU shipping boxes or case packs in the Excel file, you can proceed directly to the Step 2 Confirm Shipping video. Thank you for watching and happy selling on Amazon.